Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shilpa Data Insights. Today I'm going to discuss on how to install external library in Databricks. In real-time scenario, you might come across an error called no module found. So in today's agenda, we are going to discuss different ways to resolve this error. Basically, there are three methods to install external library. First is using notebook, second is cluster, and third is using the workspace. So I will be installing the deep translator in my Databricks today. So if you will see on my screen, it says Deep Translator 1.10.1 that I will be installing today using a command called pip install deep translator. So I have copied this pip install deep translator from here and I will be using the sh command and I will execute this. So if you will see, I have just executed this command, installed it. Now I want to use this deep translator. This deep translator has a module called Google Translator, which converts the text from one language to another language. So I will go ahead and execute this. So in this command, I am checking how many languages are there. So all these languages are supported by the Google Translator module. So you can use any of this language. So this is the first method how you can install the external library from the notebook itself. The second method in order to install is using the cluster. So using the cluster, you go to the compute section and then you hit on the libraries button and install new. In the install new, you can go ahead and select the PYPI, mention the library name and click install. So now you see it is installing the deep translator package. So this is the second method how you can install the external library using the cluster. The third method that we have is using the workspace library. For the workspace library, I will be downloading the file from the pypi.org itself and I will be downloading the wheel file. So once you have downloaded the wheel file, you go back to your workspace and right click on the space and click create and library. If you hit on library, it will ask you to upload the Python wheel file. Hit on the Python wheel file, upload your file here and click create. As soon as you click create, it will go ahead and create a deep translator file here. So you have this DBFS location which you can go ahead and use in order to install it in the cluster. So I've copied this link. You can go and you can click install new, use this Python wheel, drop the file and install it from there. So these are the three methods how exactly you can go ahead and install your external library. Hope you understood all the three methods, and if you feel this video added value to your knowledge and helped you, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you are new to my channel, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching and I wish you have a good day.